Hello everyone, we are from Team Euro, the developers of Djmavec. So Djmavec is a Python library that brings AI-powered vector search directly into the Django's ecosystem, which is powered by MariaDB. We are excited to share how Djmavec, the Python library, bridges the gap between Django developers and the next-gen semantic search capabilities, because all of the next gen is purely on AI searches and vectors. So this project is built for every Django developer who wants to make the application truly intelligent, not just data driven by meaning how developers use traditional commands or SQL commands and that. No? So the actual problem is modern applications are evolving from simple keyword searches to AI-driven semantic search, where systems understand the meaning of text, not just the word themselves, but with an emotion. Well, tools like PG Vector bring this capability to PostgreSQL. Django developers using MariaDB have been left with no tools, any native solutions for vector storage or AI embeddings. So today they have to manually integrate AI APIs, manage the backend logic, and write raw SQL queries. A process that is very complicated and every developer would not need. So in order to set the gap between, we have developed Djmavec, Python library with MariaDB's new vector capabilities. In simple terms, it allows Django developers to integrate AI-based semantic search with just a few lines of code. For example, how this part of the code works. It'll convert it to 384 dimensional vector with a local mini LLM which is used here. So let's say you have a word called AI in education. It'll return the top K5 elements of the search. So with just a single command, it converts the entire query into an embedding, as seen here. So let's say we are given the command, so it will convert it to a proper embedding that will be directly stored into the vectors column of MariaDB, which features makes MariaDB very famous compared to other DBs and returns the most relevant results. That is the top K5 results, and all inside Django's familiar ORM work. So Django handles the embedding generation, vector storage, and semantic retrieval automatically. No extra database is required, no third-party API calls, and no expertise needed. So how it exactly works? So as you can see here, I've displayed the system architecture, how the Django library actually works. So there are many layers that is being used here. So the text that we give input will be converted into AI embeddings using a local model, and those will be summed as a 384 dimensional vector inside the vector columns of MariaDB, and will be used in future for retrieval. There's no need of loading again and again. There won't be any load of cache memories and everything. In order to protect that, we have developed this architecture, which is very useful. So how exactly this works? The developer defines a vector field inside the Django module or a folder, just like a normal cat field. When text data like article titles, FAQs, or description is saved, it is converted into a numerical embedding, as seen here. It will be converted into a numerical embedding directly into the MariaDB's vector column type. During a search, the query is also embedded and cosine similarity is computed to find the most semantically uh, similar records as seen here. So there are many, and the most similar ones are being shortlisted and directly stored in the MariaDB. All of this happen inside the Django's ORM layer. So there's no need for any external API calls. Everything will be done in the API inside this itself. DJ Mac also supports both local embeddings generation that is already available in the library and API-based embeddings for cloud scale 50 like OpenAI and Gemini and other, whatever the developer uses. So what is actually unique in those ideas with Djmavec, design developers can finally use MariaDB as an AI-ready database, a strong open source alternative to Postgres, pgvector, or a hosted vector services like Pinecone. It enables semantic search, AI-driven recommendations, chatbot retrieval, intelligent content discovery natively inside Django itself. It's fast, lightweight, and developer-friendly, designed to evolve into a full-fledged vector ORM layer for Django developers. It completes with the admin integration multi-model. I mean, in the future, it can go to text, image, and audio support in future releases. To sum it up, Django will transform Django plus MariaDB into a powerful AI-native framework helping developers build smart and semantic search aware web applications, not just the usual traditional one. With minimal setup and zero external dependencies, with just a pip command, pip install DJ Mavic, and they'll be able to use all the features. The project can be explored in the GitHub, which has been attached. Thank you.